everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to talk about yourself in English using both easy and advanced sentences. My name is Jason. I'm Jason, a creative and enthusiastic student with big dreams. I study in grade 10. Currently, I'm studying in the 10th grade and working hard to do well. Science is my favorite subject. Among all subjects, science fascinates me the most because it explains how the world works. I love to play football with my friends. Football brings me joy and teaches the importance of teamwork and discipline. In my free time, I watch cartoons. Free moments are often spent enjoying animated shows that spark imagination. My best friend is Tom. Tom is more than a friend, he's someone I trust and share great memories with. I help my parents at home. Helping out at home makes me feel responsible and connected to my family. I want to be a doctor. My biggest dream is to become a doctor and serve people in need. I study hard to reach my goals. Success requires dedication, so I put in consistent effort every day. I am a kind and honest boy. People describe me as kind-hearted, honest, and always ready to help. I enjoy being happy and making others smile. Spreading positivity and joy is something I truly value in everyday life. I like animals. Animals have a special place in my heart, and I treat them with love and care. I have many good friends. My life is full of wonderful friends who support and encourage me. This is all about me. That's a short glimpse into my life, dreams, and the values I try to live by.